In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link records and tables in Airtable. Linking records is what turns a simple spreadsheet into a relational database. It lets you connect information across different tables, so you can see how your data relates without copying and pasting the same details over and over. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set up these links and what each option means, so you can choose the setup that works best for your workflow. Start by opening the base and going to the table where you want the link to appear. This is the table that will hold the new field that points to another table. At the far right of your existing field names, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to add a brand new field. This is how you create the column that will store your linked records. When the new field dialog opens, you'll be asked to choose a field type. From the list, select Link to another record. This is Airtable's special field type designed specifically for creating relationships between tables. You're not just creating a text field here, you're telling Airtable that this column should connect to records somewhere else in your base. Next, choose which table you want to link to. You have three main options. First, you can link to an existing table in your base. This is ideal if you already have a table set up, like clients, projects, or tasks, and you want to reference those records from the current table. Second, you can choose to create a new table. If you select Create a New Table, Airtable will automatically build a brand new table using the values you enter in this linked field. This is handy when you realize you need a separate table for something you've been keeping as simple text. Third, you can link back to the same table you're currently in. This is called self-linking, and it's useful for relationships like parent and child tasks or related items within the same list. After choosing the target table, configure the link settings. Turn on Allow linking to multiple records if one record should connect to more than one item, such as a single client linked to many different projects. You can also limit record selection to a view so that when you're picking records to link, you only see a filtered list, like active projects instead of archived ones. Finally, click Create Field. Airtable will automatically add a reciprocal linked field in the target table, so the relationship works in both directions. And that's all you need to start linking your records and building more powerful, connected workflows in Airtable.